Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. Dear students, welcome again to Montessori 2 English class. Students, now come to book page number 96. Today we will look at the pictures and write their names. Today we will look at the pictures and write their names. Students, look here. What's this? Bus. What's the spelling of bus? B A S. Bus. B A S. Bus. What's the spelling of bus? B A S. Bus. What's this? Hut. Hut. What's the spelling of hut? H H A T. Hut. 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 Now next one is bud. What's the spelling of bud? B A D. Bud. B A D. Bud. What's this? Tub. Tub. What's the spelling of tub? T A B. Tub. Tab. Tub. Tab. Tub. Tub. Now last one is nut. What's this? Nut. Now we will write here the spelling of nut. N A T. Nut. 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 Again read with me. Bus. Hut. Bud. Tub. Nut. Bus. Hut. Bud. Tub. Nut. Bus. Hut. Bud. Tub. Nut. Now kids, it's your turn. Complete book page number 96. Dear students, do this work properly because this time we will not revise same work in class. Allah Hafiz.